Welcome to the first trade recap of the Trading Summer Series! Anyway, banger 1-to-1 today. Took one trade right around market open. It was a long. I was overall bullish on the day. We're going to get right into this and we're going to get over it really quickly. So the trade that I took, what was it? Oh, maybe it was this inversion right here. Maybe the close was like right there and I targeted right here and had stop right there. Anyway, yeah, so this was it. And went break even right there once ES took the high. But let's get into like a little bit more detail with this. So going into the morning, what was I? I was bullish overall. The reason for that being is just because on the higher time frame, you can see that we're clearly in an uptrend, respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. And I want to see price go to these all-time highs this week, go for this 4-hour intermediate high. This high was my overall draw on liquidity for the day, and it looks like we are going to eventually end up reaching that. But yeah, I just like this accumulation, breakout higher. And so overall, yeah, I was just looking to long because this is what we were looking at going into market open. I'm thinking, yeah, we're most likely just going to keep ripping for these highs. Now going into market open, we had this 30-minute gap right here, bullish gap. And I wanted to see price come down, tap into this 30-minute gap and then get rejection higher. I didn't want to see this 1 hour get tapped. We did end up tapping it before I took my trade. But there's a reason why I still took the long, even though we tapped this 1 hour. I'm going to get into that in a second. But even though we tapped this 30-minute, which we also tapped into this 15-minute that was lower, and we also even tapped into a 5-minute, very, very tiny 5-minute all the way down here. So just respecting all these different PD arrays, this was really, really good. And along with that, as you can see, with this open, ES left a nice little SMT with these lows right there. Oh, right there and right here. So yeah, we come higher. We tapped this 1 hour. We got really strong rejection out of it. The tap of this 1 hour is what sent us lower to go to this 30-minute / 15-minute / 5-minute. We rejected that. We got an extremely, extremely clear body closure above these gaps. And this is just clear like, okay, we're obviously going higher. But even if it wasn't this, even if this didn't close as strong as it was, I was still so confident in this trade. And so, yeah, I just wanted to see this 4 hour get tapped, which it looks like we're going to it now. If I wasn't trading evals, probably would have gotten break even on this because I probably would have tried to hold to this 4 hour. But since I was trading evals, literally all I needed to see was price to go right there, which was a 1-to-1. And yeah, we ended up getting away with a win on this trade. And so I went break even once ES took this high right here, because that's just an SMT and price could easily reject off of that. If you don't go break even when ES makes an SMT, then you're just shooting yourself in the foot. It's just asking for price to go straight to your stop loss. But anyway, yeah, SMT inside 30-minute gap, targeting this 4 hour high. And yeah, the reason that I wasn't afraid of targeting this high even after it tapped into the 1 hour was because of the fact that this 1 hour sent us lower, and because of the fact that this 1 hour wasn't my final draw on liquidity. Like this 1 hour, yes, this is significant, but this is my overall draw on liquidity. And I want to see price go to this. So price rejecting off here is just price action. Like I'm just looking at that as data, and I'm looking for this as my overall draw. So yeah, that's going to be it. Very, very simple, just very textbook day. And yeah, that's going to be it. So y'all have a great rest of y'all's day, and I will see you tomorrow.